We are talking about how we can maximize impact and how sometimes maximizing impact can have negative effects for the researcher. So both things, positive and negative, go side by side. However, this is another type of strategy for maximizing impact, and this is online publication. You write some essay, article, comment, and you post it online, and then public is engaged with it. These days, some non-profit online publications, they are available for the researchers. They are accessible to general public and other media channels. Other channels can republish, can borrow their material and they can republish. There is no bar on it. But the contributors are not paid because there is free access, so no payment is made. Universities can pay for the researchers for their publication, online publication through such open access media. Why? For media attention. But these days, universities conduct conferences. Through conferences, they can highlight their research profile. So their researchers can discuss their research to wider public, academics, non-academics, business people, media persons, even politicians. They are invited to these conferences. So this is also the same thing. The researchers have to pay registration fee on, and sometimes even universities pay for them. Similarly, for increasing impact, researchers rush to open access journals because they ask for fee, and if you pay them fee, you have successful publication, and that too within a very short time. Some universities pay their researchers for such kind of publication because research adds to their high ranking scores which are required for their high ranking. So universities compete, they market themselves among other universities, and it is their high ranking which attract more students, more clients, etc. Even when paid, online publications are used for attracting global following. Some online publications, Cameron says, are he versus she. Look the topics which are published online. He versus she, what the language of news tells us about gender imbalance, gender inequality. Now see how attractive the topic is. He versus she. Improving gender equality is the key to tackling male teachers shortage, because it is perceived that for lower classes, females are good teachers. So if we improve gender equality, so this problem can be resolved. Do men and women really find different words funny? Again, a topic which can grab attention of mass audience. So do they like funny words differently? Here is what the research says. The researcher ends this topic in a very curious way that the reader would definitely be interested in finding out how they like different words.